Right? It's, just got a new helicopter. Just showing it. It's an Eagle Jet protocol, and it comes with a mighty good controller. It's kind of cool. I don't know if it does any battery right now. It lights up pretty good. There you go. Oop, there we go, it works. Very hard to fly, very hard to fly. Yup, it comes with, hold on, this plug-in. Wait, there we go, you plug this in. Then after it charges for about 60 to 70 minutes, you put it back in. Turn it on, wait for it to synchronize to the controller. There you go. Got a perfectly good fine thing to, well, to fly. See ya.